Hello everyone, my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badane, and today's date is 22 November 2021, and today's our video topic is about on constructor. Every class has a default constructor in Java. The constructor is a block of code. It is similar to the method. It called when instance of class is created. When we are called the constructor, the memory is allocated to the object. It is a special type of method. When we create the object by using new keyword, then at least one constructor is called. The default constructor is available in the Java. Why we call constructor is constructor? When we create the object, that time a constructor create the value. The Java is not it is not necessary it is not necessary to create the constructor, because Java is provide the default constructor. Some rules for the constructor. First is it is name is similar to the class. It have no any return type. And third is a constructor cannot be static final. There are two type of constructor. First is a default constructor, means is a no argument. Second is a parameterized constructor. First we will discuss about on default constructor. Default constructor are used for the it provide the default value to the object, because it's no have any value, no any parameter is available in the default constructor. The default value is the default value is for integer is 0. The string default value is a null. The default constructor example is a public class name, public add parenthesis and curly braces completed. The public is the access modifier and add is a constructor name. It is similar to the class name. Second is a parameterized constructor. Because parameterized constructor have some argument, some values, some parameter, so it call we call is parameterized constructor. It is used for the provide the parameterized value to the object, that is integer, string, etc. It is used for the different value to the object. Its example is a public add in parenthesis integer a, integer b and string name. Integer a is a argument, integer b is also argument, and string name is also argument in the parameterized constructor. Public is the access modifier, and add is a class constructor name. It is similar to the constructor name. Next topic is constructor overloading. Constructor overloading means it have two or more constructor. It is constructor name is similar to the class name. They have three constructor. Suppose first constructor name is student, it have no any parameter. Second constructor name is a student, it have two parameters, that is integer a and integer b. And third constructor is a student, it have three parameters, that is integer a, integer b and a string name. Its constructor name is same but it have a different parameter, so it called as constructor overloading.